How to clarify expenditures, an OCPF software tutorial. Banks file monthly reports for candidates, PACs, and state parties who are registered with OCPF. Banks itemize debit card spending each month, but they don't know why the money was spent. If candidates, PACs, and state parties use the committee debit card to spend money, they will need to clarify the purpose of the expenditures. To start, log into Reporter 7 at the OCPF website. Click the red tile to clarify an expenditure. The bank reported the debit card expenditures, but not the purpose. Let's clarify. A list of recent expenditures will appear after clicking the red tile. Click the Clarify button to add purpose information. Remember to add details to show a political purpose.